started, fizzing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
Okay, today me and Miss Fuong are eating here. Boom, boom, boom. Let me go show you what it looks like on the outside. It looks like this. Swag key. Thin. Swag. Shay. Thin. And that's the address right there. 553 Rent Keep. Bintan. So, and this is what's next door. Again, I don't know where I'm at, so, oh, they got a hotline. So, there's the hotline. Hope that helps. Good time. Sorry about that. Took a phone call. So we got this. Boom. Num num num. What's this called, babe? Bankan. Very good. Very delicious.
You nuke mom?
Fish sauce. No, I'm good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe a little nuke mom. Yeah. Nuke mom, for those of you who don't know, is fish sauce. It is very salty. Oh, and the Filipinos call it patis. Good times. For every good deed that I do, there's 50 that you don't see. That's a dad pushing his young son around in a stroller over there. And he's selling lottery tickets. He's not begging. So, again, we just gave a donation. We didn't take any tickets. So, do the right thing if you got the money. Everybody here needs it. Hey, why are you so naughty? This is where we ate 55/3 Van Keep T3 Quinn Bintan Honda Thai. Oh, okay, not a Honda. We ate and we didn't have our oil change. We ate here. Pan Kan Kai Chow Dak. Let's go. Let's go. Pan Kan Kai Chow Dak. Taking backups on my cell phone in case I delete all my GoPro videos again. We ate here today. Pan Kan Kao Chow Dak. Near the Honda Thai Ga dealer at 55 Van Keep P3 Ben Kwan. Bintan. Let's go. Let's roll. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're lost? You're lost? What, like? Oh, yeah, good job. How you say it? I didn't hear thing say it. Sometimes I heard people just say dang, no say it. At the light's like dang.
Dang is okay?
Okay. Well, you should have told me that. That's much quicker.
I say open the lights. Careful behind you.
This way.
This way.
Yeah. Careful. It's not that close. Retard.